This is no glue. Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I've got this real life glueless. I didn't cut this lace, well I cut it a little bit, but it came pre-cut and it is glueless. I think this is just one of the perfect throw on wigs ever, but I just did a little zhuzh to make it, you know, enticing, so you can do a little style with the glueless unit. I'm feeling myself. Wanted to do something creative and fun, so that's what I came up with, inspired very much by like 2015 era sew-ins. You got a bang, you got a braid. Yeah, I feel really sexy, to say the least. So if you want to see how I got this look and some of my thoughts on this unit, always, all thoughts are always my own. With that being said, let's see how I got this very sexy and effortless look. Let's get on into it. Hi, it's me again. Back at it again. Is that what they be saying with another video? That's what they be saying. I did my makeup in the dark, can you tell? No. Probably not under all these lights. Brows is looking real serious. I'm looking real. Today, what am I doing? You know what I'm doing. I'm putting on a wig. What else do I do? I just lie to y'all about pulling my natural hair out and record makeup tutorials. I just do wigs. So y'all think y'all my biggest hater is me. I'm the biggest hater. Let's move on. I don't got time to be hating on myself. We gotta wait from UNice. UNice. I think it's UNice. One of those pre-cut wigs. I'm hoping it just fit across my head. Let's really quickly get into this because I got places to be. I have this idea for a style I want to do, and I want to do it quickly. I want to do it efficiently, and I want to look the fuck good. In the box. I should have put these on. My nails looking real raw and bare right now. Get little nails. Edge brush, wig cap, and there's also some wig tape in here, but we'll get into that. I've never used wig tape. I'm kind of scared. So here's the wig. It got a little curl in it, and usually I'm good for washing a wig before I install it, but today I'm feeling lazy. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna use it how they said to use it. They said put it on out the box. I'm gonna see what they talking about and why they said that. But did I really want to wash this at first? Yes. But I got a little curl, and I thought the curl would be cute for what I'm trying to accomplish. Like, it's not too tight of a curl. It's not doing too much. I might end up cutting it just a little bit. I don't know yet. We'll see the vibes. Yeah, she smelled like I maybe could have washed her. She's 24 inches and she's a full 13x4. Wait, she's a nearly full 13x4 frontal, and they put this tape on here already, like they really want you to put it on out the box. So I will. Y'all like this camera angle? I keep feeling like I keep switching it up just the tiniest bit and nobody's noticing but me. Do you like this little camera angle? I kind of do. Everything you know is a lie because I did not just wash my hair. My hair is not wet at all. In fact, it's braided up. Braided my hair a week ago. It's looking like it. Let's just try it on without the elastic band. I might just see, cause I don't want to. I'm just like, I don't want to get my hopes up about what's about to happen. Let's just see. Oh my god. And it's allergy season, so please just be kind to me. Okay. The knots need to be bleached bad, but that's okay because what I'm trying to do, like, I'm not even gonna trip about that too hard. So today, inspirations lie with like Meg Thee Stallion, JT. They've been doing bangs, but mainly not just them. I'm thinking about when you got a sew-in 2012 through 2015, you got a bang, and the bang was a banging. That's what I want. I want a banging bang and a few other things. So we're gonna get cute. I'm gonna be kind of creative today. Tap into the girl who wanted to sew in but couldn't get a sew in. We tap it into her. The hair feels nice. It's cute, but it's better out the box. It's cute, and I'm glad the wig fits. You know, that checks 2 boxes and is feeling like it's gonna be glueless. Like, I'm sure if I put on that elastic band, I'll really feel super. Cause right now I'm feeling, and it goes to my ear. Last time I had one of these wigs, I couldn't even upload the video because I was talking so much shit about the construction. This seemed like y'all gonna be able to see this video. Oh, that was such a waste of my time editing that video and then nobody saw it. Y'all, I gotta pluck it just a little bit. You can either be bleach knots, no pluck, or you can be pluck and no bleach. That's what I'm going with. So I got to pluck this a little bit. But that already looks so much better. It's just like such the subtle difference. It wasn't bad by no means before, but just like putting that little extra oomph in it, it changes things. Now if you want to be done, we could hot comb this down and boom, you got your hair. The hair is done. And I do feel really secure. Maybe I plucked one side more than the other side, but I think it's time to get started. I guess they want me to use this glue, this tape on here. I'm gonna use the tape. I'm scared though. Peeling it off because I already put it on there. And what if I'm a tape girly now? I just never use glue or gel anymore. I'm pleased. Let's do the other side. trying to get it on my skin as much as possible rather than my hair. The lace was cut pretty well, but y'all know me. Some things could just always be improved upon. So I'm just taking a little bit of this excess lace off that I don't need. Oh, wow. Let me zoom in. This is no glue. That's pretty impressive. For somebody who's been complaining about ripples and wigs and all these upgrades, but not really like the true glueless update, this is kind of crazy. So there is a little bit of liftage here. I'm so meticulous. I am going to be putting just a little bit of gel, just the tiniest bit. I think this is the fastest I've ever installed a wig ever. I'm using some grip gel, just the tiniest bit. This should be good for both sides. Woo. And let me get y'all out my face, y'all. Get out my face. It kind of looks bleached, but then not really. You know, just like not bleaching I would do. Ooh, that's hot. So I just really been having the urge to have some bangs. So I can't wait to fulfill that urge. I'm about to just do a little braid. I'm not the best at braiding. I just want it to be like messy, but like refined at the same time.
Wet out of nowhere. And that doesn't necessarily happen unless I'm being stimulated.
So I just kind of pulled it apart, just tugging at it. Trying to make it a little bit more messy. Opening it up. And this is what I got. Just a little messy braid. Get out my face. I like the braid hanging. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. I'm thinking I want a decent bang, so I'm just gonna take a little section. This is probably too much. And I just wanna like and then of course to follow it up, little face framing action. Not too much, just a little bit. And I got my curling iron plugged up. Add a little bump into it. Like so. Okay. So now I'm just gonna frame it with the hot comb. I want to be in my eyes so bad. Oh! And there goes the first burn of April. I was doing so good, but that's for sure gonna be a burn. I feel like you're still on my face. Back up. I just took a little look in the mirror and I decided that I am gonna push this back this way. But first, before I do, I'm gonna cut the hair just a little bit. Well, first starting with this, just a little. That's nice. That's good. I just think this would be just a little better if it was just like 2 inches shorter. I love when hair just sits like right here. It's taking a little 2 inches off, nothing crazy. Already looks fuller. Curls can thrive a little bit more. I wish I knew how to do another curl than this. I'm gonna learn one day. Is today that day? Probably not, but I'm conflicted. I like the braid down. What y'all think? Y'all think I should leave the braid down? Or I'm gonna need your opinion. You see this braid? Should I leave it like that or should I pin it to the back?
Turn your head. I like it to the back.
That was my original plan, but then I kind of like it hanging there. So here is what we're looking like. I got a hair in my face. This is what we're looking like. Shout out the unit though, because we're still completely glueless. Except for that little part, I put a little to hold the size down, but that's it. This was a very easy unit. I am conflicted. I like it down, but you guys can tell me what you think. Do you like it down like this? Or do you like it like this? How do you feel? Vote down below. We need your votes. We need your thoughts. This is the final look. I'm feeling really sexy. I think smelling the lip is making me feel so sexy. Just somebody's gonna ask. I got on this old ass MAC lipstick. It's a Mariah Carey collab that I got for Christmas so long ago. Like, it's so old. No shade to Mariah Carey, but when did Mariah Carey have a MAC collab? It's probably older than me. It's the look today. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was very easy to do. The more I have it up, the longer it's growing on me. I liked the down as well, but guys, this was super hot to do. I feel glamorous. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to UNice for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you for watching it this far. I really appreciate you. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one with my nails done. Bye, beautiful.